goddamn shit. Drop for a little horny hooker, you know what I mean? My little bad bitch. Y'all motherfuckers know I can't sing now, so goddamn, it's going down like this. Like, I said, baby, we gonna ride, cause we and die side by side, yes we are. Cause you're my very best friend. You're my Bonnie and I'm your Clyde. I love you. And put it in no better words, but those ain't nothing words than the words I feel for you. I live for you, give for you, rob and steal for you. Let you walk in the safe no matter what it is for you. What it is, mama? Dollar keep it real, mama. Set you in a Hummer interior made out of seal stomach. Boss bitches what I got ain't spelling no nigga. And let her sit down on this dick like it's a four-wheeler. I think the Lord could have been blessed with a more fine broad. We heart to heart, she got my back more than my spinal cord. I trap, she trap too. I blast one time, she blast two. Convertible Malibu. Me and my baby streaming cash rules. Do everything together. Lord knows she love me. I love her ass more than waking up in the morning. And she my thug wife. She respect my blood life. Pretty as I call it Bill, cause all my blood light. The future Bonnie and Clyde. Y'all can't change that. We flying across bodies of water that they been named Jay. Baby, we gonna ride, cause we and now side by side, yes we are. Okay, you're my very best friend. You're my Bonnie and I'm your. I got a 5-star chick. Okay, my 5 keep popping. You can love who you want, but I'm in love with little mama. You can. Damn, I fucked up.